Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, today we are going to read and see the blessings that are going to come to you, which the Santa is bringing towards you for the Christmas season of year 2021. So, dear friends, make your selections. This is pile number 1 with the Santa, pile number 2 with the red drum, and pile number 3 with the pine. Make your selections, dear friends, to whichever pile you're called upon, and we will see what are your blessings that the Christmas season that the Santa is bringing for you for the year 2021. Dear friends, you can also refer to the timestamps and comments below for the selections if you wish to select by numbers. Okay, dear friends, I think you must have made your selections by now, so I'm keeping the pile number 2 aside. Pile number 3 also I'll keep aside for the time being. Okay, great. So this is pile number 1. It is Santa. And we are going to see the blessings that are coming towards you in the year 2021. Christmas blessings. Great. Wow, dear friends, your starting card is the joy and delight. Wow, wonderful. Look at the image in the card, dear friends. There's this woman who is thoroughly enjoying herself in this garden with a dog, cat, pet animals, also having a kind of a food and picnic around here, having some wine, fruits, lots of abundance, and red color symbolic of root chakra healing. Joy, green color symbolic of heart chakra healing. So this is my pile. Pile number 1 is the pile of people who are going to heal their heart and root chakra in the year 2021. And so joy and delight is the divine gift that is coming to them in year 2021. Wonderful, beautiful, dear friends. It is also possible that as a gift you are going to bring a pet into your house in year 2021, and you're also going to connect with nature. You are going to go out in the gardens, have picnics with your family and your pets. Wonderful. Oh my god, what a pile to start with. Wedding. This situation involves marriage. Wow, amazingly beautiful, amazingly beautiful. So dear friends, all the single friends who were wishing to get married, you are going to get married in year 2021. All the lovey-dovey couples who were looking for a commitment, they are going to get married in 2021. And if you were looking online on sites, in newspapers, or you were looking for matrimony matches through friends or sites, you are going to get a match. Your marriage is going to be fixed in year 2021. And all of those couples who are already married, your marriage life is going to upgrade. Your understanding with your partner is going to be better in year 2021. You are going to have a blissful relationship with your partner. Wonderful. Your wish is granted. My God. So dear friends, whoever selected pile number 1, year 2021 is a big year for you, as your wish is going to be granted. Whatever your deepest desire was is going to be granted in year 2021. They say what you've asked for is coming true. Wonderful. What more could we have asked for? Amazingly beautiful, dear friends. 3 of Forces, the bird's nest. So this card clearly tells me that There is going to be happiness in the family get-togethers. There is going to be a childbirth in somebody's family, because you see this bird is a mother feeding the kids. So there is going to be a child born into a family as well. The bird's nest tells me that some people are going to build their new homes, a cozy home house environment. Either you are going to build a new home, or it is possible that you do some renovations in your home, or there is an additional family member who joins in year 2021. Something with regard to your home scenario is going to change. You are going to decorate your home, or they are telling me that some people are going to get into the professions where they are going to do home decorations, etc. Go for it, go for it. So there is going to be a certain opportunity coming to you in year 2021 as a divine blessing through Christmas, and the angels are suggesting you to go for it. So they say your prayers and positive expectations have been heard and answered. You've been working with we've been working with you on this situation since its genesis, and we continue to watch over you and everyone involved. Stay on your present path, as it will take you very far indeed. Wonderful. So this could be regarding a certain career option also that comes to you, or most probably it can be an offer for wedding, it can be an offer for business, career, or job that is coming for you. And the angels are saying that this was something that you desired, and the angels were working behind the scenes to manifest this for you. It can be a new home also for some people. So this is going to manifest for you in year 2021. Oh my god, blossoming abundance. Wow, dear friends, even this card, Joy and Delight, if you look at the card, it looks very abundant. I want you to have a look at this card. Blossoming abundance. This card clearly tells me that good health, wealth, prosperity, inclusive of, yes, I want to emphasize that blossoming tells me that good health is also along with the financial abundance. You are going to have an abundance of love, peace, harmony, abundance of health, wealth, prosperity that is going to come to you. See, again in this image we see lot many flowers, birds. So this tells me that there is going to be a connection with the nature, and there are butterflies, which tells me that there is going to be a spiritual connection as well. There are spirit guides around you who are going to help you in this manifestation. And number 3 tells me is the number of abundance. Alongside it is a number of mothering something. So there can be a creative idea or a birth of a project happening for you people, and for many of you who have come here, I see a childbirth. This blossoming abundance tells me that there is going to be a childbirth in the family. Yes, beautiful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Quiet retreat. So for some people it is time to have a holiday, retreat yourself, disconnect from the work, from the stresses. And the card says it's time to disconnect from the outer world so that you can discern and process your true thoughts and feelings from your inner world. Create this quiet time for yourself, and you will have more clarity about what to do next. This is so beautiful. Again here, dear friends, constantly each of your cards is showing me this. A lot many flowers and birds. So you are being guided to connect with the nature. Go to the gardens, or maybe you can plant some flowers in your own home, in your garden, and this way you are going to be very well connected with divine, And these birds are your spirit guides. They are going to guide you, they are going to bring messages of abundance. They are near you for manifesting great things in your life. Beautiful. So you need quiet time in year 2021. What is happening that this time is going to come to you itself. In 2021, it is possible in 2020 you were very busy with a lot many people and obligations that you had to do for them. It is possible that in 2021 you get some quiet time for yourself, for meditation, yoga, for completing your lack of sleep, and you are enjoying this time, giving self love, and as well nurturing yourself with the animals, birds, and nature. Beautiful. We have, oh my god, all of your cards have flowers. Flowers here, nature here, flowers here, this also flowers here, nature here, flowers here, flowers here. This is going to be such a beautiful, even I feel that you are going to become very beautiful, and you are going to become very handsome in the year 2021. For males, they will be handsome. For females, they will become very beautiful because they are going to give self love. Their heart chakra is going to heal. They are going to do passionate activities which are going to bring them happiness. It is also possible that you start to do yoga in year 2021, which is absolutely opening all your chakras and releasing you of the blocked energies. Magical blessings. Wow. Whatever you're going through, you're being assisted by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. Wonderful, dear friends, wonderful. Look at this beautiful card. So you are going to have very, 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 very deep connections with the universe, as you can see here. Totally divinely blessed. Some of you will have energy in your hand. Some of you can be healers in this category, and you can be Reiki pranic healers or any kind of healers, and you will have magical energy which will flow in your hand through the universe. And here they say that you're being assisted by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. So it is possible that for some of my category of spiritual healer friends, you have the ability, you have the blessings of healing other people in year 2021. This is so beautiful. Wonderful. Yes, we got the spiritual partnership. Exactly, dear friends. With this card, and you can see there are 3 females in this card. So it can be a spiritual partnership that you share with your clients, or it can be a business or some kind of a spiritual business or profession that you start with a like-minded community in year 2021. That is your Christmas blessing. Wow. A blessing of air, dear friends. Again, oh my god, so many flowers. So right away I would suggest my pile number 1 that please go and buy some flowers, plant some flowers in your garden, buy some artificial flowers, put them in your office, in your home, in your decor, because you are going to attract a lot of positive energy and abundance through flowers. See, this is blossoming, grapes, flowers, and then we have a butterfly over here. So you are transforming. The blessing of the air card tells me that in the year 2021, a lot many burdens are going to be lifted from you, and you are absolutely going to feel very light-hearted energy. Yes. And you're going to have clarity of mind. Air energy is connected with the sharpness of mind, and a blessing of air tells me that your third eye is going to be activated, and you're going to have clear visions. You are going to have clarity of mind. Yes, beautiful. Wow, dear friends, prosperity. Finally. Wow. So, dear friends, it's a very, very prosperous and abundant year for you, and you are going to absolutely be joyful and delightful. Your wishes being granted, marriage for many, childbirth for others, home for many, spiritual partnership for many, and blossoming abundance, and an opportunity of work also is coming towards you, which you have to go for it. So there's a card which says dog protection from a powerful friend. So here, this seeing the image of a dog, of course, for many of you, I feel that actually you're going to adopt a dog in year 2021 who is going to be your spiritual animal. And for many of others who are not adopting a dog, it is possible that you feed the street dogs and you are going to be blessed through them. And for the others, the dog is symbolic of a very powerful and very loyal friend to you, and you are going to be protected from a powerful friend. So you are going to be with a very loyal person, a friend who is going to protect you in the year 2021. Carriage a journey, either physical or mental. Beautiful, yes. So it is possible that year 2021 there is an actual journey, a vacation planned for you, or might be you move to another state or country. And for many of my friends, I feel, who are spiritual healers or into spirituality, you are going to go through a spiritual upgrade journey. Beautiful. Inkpot, problems to be resolved. Yes, I feel that, if there were couples, boyfriend, girlfriends who wished their marriages and they were having problems with their families or parents understanding, or they were having problems between them, those problems are going to be sorted out, and marriage is going to be fixed, or either it will be fixed in year 2021 for you, or it will happen in year 2021. Wow, dear friends, needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. Yes, 100%. This is my pile of manifestors. So your greatest gift which the Santa has brought to you in your 2021 is the manifestation of your desires. This is the second card which says your wish is granted. There is a card here which says your wish has been granted, and another card which says a sincere wish will be granted. So if there is a wish that you were sincerely wishing for, say from years you were wishing for that wish to be granted, yes, that is going to be granted to you in year 2021 as your Christmas gift from the Santa. Wow, amazing. Basket, recognition, reward for merit. Wow, amazing, dear friends. And even here in this image, if you see in this basket image, you will see there are so many fruits, healthy fruits over here. Abundance, this is like, symbolic of abundance also, and freshness, again like flowers, beauty, colorfulness, like all chakras being healed. So dear friends, you are going to be recognized and you are going to be rewarded for your merits. This is so beautiful, and it just fell on the spiritual partnership and magical blessings. So I feel this recognition will come to you as magical blessings, rewards and merits are coming to you. Wonderful, pile number 1. So I want to wish everyone who chose pile number 1 Merry Christmas and a very, very happy new year. And I wish and pray that all the blessings that have been shown by these cards come true for you in year 2021, and you come back to this reading and give me a comment on the reading that yes, what all was read, what all were the messages from the spirit guides came true for me. I got married, I My home was made. I started a spiritual partnership business. I got an opportunity of work. I got a reward. Somebody found a loyal friend. Somebody was prosperous. Another person had a journey. So I wish, and somebody got a quiet retreat time. So, dear friends, lots of love and best wishes to all my friends over here. I wish you all the best. Wonderful blessings, beautiful reading for pile number one. God bless my pile number one. Moving on to pile number two, and all of my friends who selected pile number two, now we are going to see what blessings are coming to you as gifts from Santa Clauses for 2021 Christmas season. Wow, so you selected this red drum. Some kind of celebrations definitely for you. Let's see. Wonderful, dear friends. Your first card says give into passion. Wow, and just see the colors that this woman is wearing. Yellow, orangish, red, which tells me clearly, dear friends, I hope you're being able to see the cards, that your solar plexus chakra, your sacral chakra, and your root chakra, your divine feminine, is going to get balanced in year 2021, and your sacral chakra is going to be so much activated and balanced that you are going to pursue your greatest passions in year 2021. For many of the people, music can be very, very helpful for you in order to manifest your greatest desire. You can heal your chakras listening to good music. Some of you are going to take music classes, others are going to become musicians and pursue their passion. It is also possible that you keep a pet with you, a cat or some pet you are going to bring into your house as your gift. Beautiful, dear friends, beautiful. This could be the one. Wow. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. Wonderful. So, dear friends, for many of you who were seeking for a romantic partner in year 2021, either you have already met this person by the last quarter of year 2020, and the angels and spirit guides are telling you that this person could be the one who is your soulmate or who is going to be your partner for life, or else the person you meet in year 2021 is going to be a blessing from the Santa Clauses to you, and this could be the person who manifests as your life partner. Love life, beautiful, dear friends. Yes, this could be the one. And love life in your, yes, your sacral chakra is going to be very well balanced, and so you are going to enjoy love life. The basis of your question involves your romantic life, which is now changing for better. Wonderful. What more could we have asked for, dear friends? So year 2021 clearly welcome love into your life. Your heart chakra is healed and you're welcoming. Wow, wonderful, because already your divine feminine lower chakras are healed and balanced, and then heart chakra is healed. Love is coming, and they are hinting on new love is coming into your life, and you're going to have a very blissful lovey-dovey year enjoying with this partner. Look at this image, how they're enjoying the conversations, the flirtations. You're going to enjoy like this in year 2021. This is your gift, and even if you are married, you're going to enjoy a good love life with your partner. Beautiful, beautiful. So the blessing is coming for a good love life. Eight of keys. Yes, dear friends, blessing in the area of work is also coming. So they say the master artisan. Yes, wonderful, wonderful. So in year 2021, Santa is gifting you with a new opportunity to learn something. You are going to you are going to start learning one skill which is going to be a master skill, which is your life purpose. So, you are going to be blessed to start working on your life purpose in year 2021. Either it can be a new job in a company which is your life purpose, or it can be a new passion like doing your own thing, becoming a musician or any other professional person, or it can be a new business opportunity. If we see in this card, this person is doing business of some metal product, some kind of a business also that you are going to start. Wonderful. Yes, dear friends, entrepreneur. Yes. So this is most probably the pile of my friends who are going to become entrepreneurs in year 2021. They are going to start something of their own. Either it can be their own profession or their own business. I am feeling that this is the pile who is going to leave their jobs and start to do something of their own, because their sacral chakra is very much activated and they are giving into their passions, which tells me that they are going to pursue something in their life which they have been always passionate about. The card says self-employment suits your disposition and intentions. Working for yourself allows you to better follow your intuition and divine guidance. Wonderful, dear friends. So clearly this is my pile of people who are going to begin self-employment in year 2021. Working for yourself allows you to better follow your intuition and divine guidance. Some of you can become intuitive readers also. We are your co-workers and teammates. Wow, wonderful. Who remain loyally by your side to ensure your success in all ways. Wonderful. Somebody is going to start some kind of a work where they are very well guided by the divine God, universe, Holy Spirits. So beautiful, dear friends. You are going to become self-employed, your own profession. Yes. In the year 2021, self-employment is for you. Your love life is going to blossom. You are going to be passionate about the things you are going to do, be it in your love life. You're going to enjoy a lot of passion, or be it in your work. Wonderful. Your sacral chakra is going to be the highlight of the year, absolutely balanced, and you're going to enjoy each and every pleasure in life in year 2021. Appreciation. Wow. Yes, dear friends, you are going to get a lot of appreciation for the new work that you are going to begin, or it is possible that your lover, your partner gives you a lot of appreciation in year 2021. Your gift from the divine is appreciation, and this is coming to you because you did understand how important it was to love yourself. In 2020's end quarter, you started giving love to yourself, and so you happen to attract for yourself loving partners, loving people in your work who are appreciating your efforts and your work now. Wonderful. Exercise to increase your energy and manifesting abilities. Wow. So, dear friends, in year 2021, I feel that many of you are going to work on your looks also. You are going to become very beautiful and very attractive, and I feel that many of you are going to begin an exercising regime for yourself, and doing these exercises, what is going to happen? You are going to open all the blockages from your chakras, and hence you will become great manifestors also in year 2021. So the card says the key to manifesting quickly is to have very high energy levels. Yes, that is obvious. And the easiest way to increase them is through physical exercise. Wonderful. Choose a fun and meaningful activity so that you look forward to exercising and it becomes its own reward. Wow, beautiful. So, definitely, dear friends, in year 2021, you're going to choose some kind of a exercising regime which is just like playing for you. It is possible that you decide to play badminton, football, um, cricket, or I mean anything you decide to do. Yoga, if you love it, anything that is like a play for you and you enjoy it, and in doing that, you are also increasing your energy levels, you are losing weight, becoming fitter day by day, you are becoming very attractive. So yes, with the sacral chakra, balancing solar plexus, sacral chakra, which is your name, fame, recognition, which is your beauty, power, passion, your charisma, I feel that this pile people are going to become so attractive in year 2021, and that is your blessing. Some of you are going to have your hairstyles changed. Beautiful, beautiful. Believe in magic, dear friends. Yes, believe in magic. Wow. So the year 2021 is going to bring magic into your life. Open your eyes and see the magic that's all around in nature. Yes, you're going to connect with nature. Wow, wonderful. The fairy of the Northern Lights says you are part of nature, so you are magical too. Wonderful. You are going to become like a magician, the greatest manifester on earth, because you are going to exercise, you are going to open and activate all your chakras, and you're going to become you're going to be very satisfied in your love life and your work life. Both your career and your love life are going to be boosted in year 2021, and you are going to get a lot of appreciation for whatever you are doing, and you are going to feel that magical things are happening around you, but you do not understand that your vibration is becoming so magical that you are becoming the greatest manifestor. Beautiful, dear friends. Love it for you. The card of health. What more could you have asked for, dear friends? Health is wealth, dear friends. Year 2021 is bringing you good health. Wow, dear friends, wow. And just look the synchronicities of the colors over here. Wow, again red, orangish, like root chakra, sacral chakra, your divine feminine. You were not dancing from so many years, you were not moving from so many years. I don't know where you had hidden your charm, your divine feminine, your attractiveness, and even in males. See, in males or females, both we have divine feminine and divine masculine. Divine feminine are our lower chakras, the chakras in our lower body, and divine masculine are the chakras of the upper body. So, what was happening in your body, even if you are a male or a female, you were more of your mind, your work, your mind, your too much in your mind, and order, control, like that. But now in year 2021, you are going to go with the flow, you are going to have more of feminine qualities, you are going to be enjoying yourself, and in doing so you are nurturing yourself, you are becoming so healthy, you are becoming so beautiful from inside out, because you have abundance of love, you are pursuing your passion, so there is great health around you. Beautiful, dear friends, beautiful. A blessing of support. So beautiful, dear friends. You are going to be blessed in year 2021 with a supporting friend or maybe family members. or with the support of your spirit animal or the spirit guides around you. Wonderful. You're going to get absolute support with the like-minded people who are your soul family. Wisdom. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful gift, dear friends. So pile number 2, all in all, is there for you because you got love life, you got passion, your own work is going to begin. You got health and you got wisdom as well. You got appreciation. You are a magic yourself. What more you could have asked for in your 2021? Wonderful, dear friends. All your chakras are healed. You're going to absolutely balance your chakras in year 2021. Beautiful. So we have a card of elephant over here, and the card says a long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Yes, 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 dear friends, yes, with the wise card. So it is possible that either you go through a practical journey, a literal journey, which is a movement to another country or a state, or else this is for my spiritual people, or otherwise also maybe you go through a process of building your career or building your love life, and this journey makes you very wise at the end of year 2021, when you are going to look back on this reading which was done on at the end of year 2020. You will understand how wise you have become in year 2021. Beautiful, dear friends. An exciting event, gong, an exciting event. Yes, dear friends. So in year 2021, this is like a gong beating, dun dun dun. Some kind of an exciting event is going to happen in your life. Something big that you had wished to manifest for yourself is going to happen in year 2021. Some kind of an exciting event, and I don't know why I feel that this dun 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 is going to be your heart beating as if your soulmate comes to you, or you're so passionate about the things that you're doing, your studies. Some of you are going to join institutes and learn some courses for yourself, and your heart is going to beat very loud with the excitement, and those are going to be the exciting events for you. And it can literally be an event like an engagement for somebody, a childbirth, a new home, or of course an inauguration of your own work, your profession, your business. Again, another card, celebration, fun, enjoyment. Wow, wow. Amazing, dear friends. In 2021, you are going to have many reasons to celebrate. Wow. Crib, birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Yes, enterprise. For many people, already they were telling that there is going to be a birth of a new enterprise, but here there is another good news, that is the conception of a child or a birth of a child is happening. Wow, amazing. Only this part was left. I think you have your love life, you have your enterprises, your work area, you have your institutes of studies, you have good health, wisdom, magic happening around you, appreciation. You are exercising, you are celebrating, having fun time, and here for some people there is going to be a birth of a child in a family, or a conception. In year 2021 you are going to conceive a child. Beautiful. Last but not the least, dear friends, handshake. A meeting with a stranger could be important. Yes. So this can be in regards to your work area, or this card, this could be the one talks about a stranger coming into your life who becomes your life partner or your love partner eventually, or a partner for your work area. So there is going to be a fated meeting with a stranger in year 2021, which is a divine gift to you, from Santa Claus. So dear friends, for everyone who chose pile number 2, I wish you all the best. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year 2021, dear friends. And I wish that all of the cards which came here as your blessings for year 2021 manifest for you eventually, and you come back to this reading time and again in the year 2021, and you give me a comment on this reading that yes, I got a love partner, I started my own work, magic is manifesting in my life, I'm getting so much appreciation for whatever I'm doing, I've started exercising regime, there's a childbirth, I've conceived a child, my health is improving, I am gaining wisdom, I'm going on a journey. So I am hoping that I get to see comments from my friends, which is going to be a positive affirmation for me also, that yes, I am also growing in whatever I am doing in connection with the spirit. And all of my friends on Healing Souls, I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to all my friends who chose pile number 2. May God bless you. Moving on to pile number 3. This is pile number 3, and everyone who chose pile number 3, now we are going to see what are your blessings coming through Santa Clauses for the Christmas season of year 2021. Moving into year 2021, what blessings Santa is bringing for you? Okay, great. Wow, dear friends, your first card itself talks of prosperity and abundance. Wonderful, wonderful. Look at this woman in the card, dear friends. I hope you're being able to see her. She is sitting in her garden and enjoying a glass of wine, and there's a cake here, and there are pet animals, dogs and cats around her who are being fed. There are flowers, there is abundance that she's enjoying, prosperity and abundance, and she's so relaxed. Her energy is very relaxed, dear friends. She's thoroughly enjoying in her home and absolutely relaxed. This is going to be a gift from Santa for you. This is how you are going to enjoy the year 2021. You are going to be absolutely prosperous and abundant. And especially for my pile number 3, I feel that either you are going to go purchase a home for yourself which is going to have a garden, or it is possible that you grow some plants in your house or in your garden, and you connect with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. You sit in a garden, you have coffee, tea, and enjoy your life. And many of you who have chosen pile number 3 are going to get a lot of relaxing time, and you are going to make yourself a priority in year 2021. Some of you are also going to adopt a few pets, or you are going to feed these street dogs, street cats, and even so much so that you can call them in your garden and feed them there. Yes. Wow, dear friends, soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Wonderful. This is a card from the Romance Angels, dear friends. So in year 2021, some of the single people are going to meet a person, and if they have a doubt regarding that person, the angels are confirming that this person is your soulmate. It is also possible that you have already met this person in year 2020 and you were having a doubt in your mind regarding this person. You are going to have a soulmate connection with you're going to meet your soulmate, your life partner in year 2021. And for other couples who are already married, you are going to have a blissful soulmate connection with your partner. You're going to enjoy your life thoroughly with your partner. Even in this card, we see them sitting in the garden. So it is possible that you enjoy this luxurious life with your partner. You get time to spend with each other, and there is going to be a bliss around your marital life as well, your love relationships. Beautiful, dear friends. Holiday, yes, yay for many of you. So, dear friends, the answer you're looking for can be found during a vacation retreat or a holiday getaway. Yes, so in year 2021, the divine God, universe, and Santa Claus is giving you a holiday as a gift. Holiday package is going to be given to you by the universe, by Santa, for year 2021. And this holiday is going to bring you this blissful time of love and togetherness, and you are going to absolutely feel prosperous and abundant during this holiday, and relax with your pets. Enjoy this time. Fated meeting, dear friends. Fated meeting. Wow, look at the card, dear friends. So this card tells me that you are going to meet a person in year 2021. For many of my friends who were looking for a marriage partner, there is going to be a meeting, a person going to come into your life in year 2021, and this person is your fate. This meeting is fated, and you were destined to meet. And so yeah, this person is your soulmate, and this is going to eventually end up into a marriage commitment relationship. And for some of my other friends, there is going to be a fated meeting with a person which can develop some kind of a business venture with that partner. Steady progress. Yes, dear friends, so I feel that for many of my people who chose pile number 3, you already started doing some kind of a work in year 2020, or maybe in the work that you were doing in year 2020, you were very much busy. And so in year 2021, you are going to have a steady progress in whatever work you are doing. And in having this steady progress, the gift that is coming to you from the Santa is that Santa is giving you a time for rest, relaxation, rejuvenation, abundance, and prosperity, so that you know your work is going to go on, because now you have set a progress for your work, and you don't have to worry for your work now. In that area you are already settled, and so now they are giving you time to rejuvenate yourself, to give yourself love, okay, and your family, your partners. Go for holidays. So steady progress card tells me, they say, we acknowledge you for the progress you've made in remembering love in your daily activities. We can clearly see the contribution you're making to the world through your thoughts, feelings, and actions of love. Beautiful. So the angels want to confirm, they want to say, Santa Claus wants to say to you that you are making steady progress day by day in whatever activities you do at your home, in your workplace. And do not worry about this. Slow and steady wins the race, but you need time for yourself. So you need to go. We are giving you the gift of holidaying and time for you and your family in year 2021, so that you are relaxed while we take care of the steady progress that is happening in your work area also. Community. So dear friends, Santa Claus is also giving you the blessing of friends, community, neighborhood, family, soul family, connecting with a certain community which is your soul family, and this is coming to you as a blessing from Santa Claus. Wow, just look at the image, dear friends. Beautiful. So much of prosperity, so much of like divinity in this image. So for many of you, some of you can be participating in some kind of a beauty contest where you find people of your similar community. Others can be spiritual healers, or some kind of a school, college, some kind of a community, neighborhood, or maybe you shift your home to a certain apartments or to a certain state or a country where you find people of similar community, similar mindset. Wonderful. So this community is of your soulmates, is of your soul family. Wow. Unlimited ideas, dear friends. So Santa Claus is blessing you with unlimited ideas for yourself, for your work, for your love relationships in year 2021. And the card says, dear friends, so they say your mind is one with God's infinite mind. Therefore, you have complete access to unlimited ideas guaranteed to bring blessings. Wow. All you need to do is take divinely guided action to allow these ideas to come to fruition. Wow. So you are going to be divinely guided in year 2021. Many of you can be spiritual healers or card readers as well. Your intuition is going to be very, very good in year 2021, and you are going to be connected with the moon energy. You're going to get unlimited ideas from divine through your intuitions, through your dreams, and these ideas are going to bring abundance, prosperities, and blessings in the year 2021 for you. Abundance. Wow, dear friends, second card of abundance for you. Here we have the card of prosperity and abundance, and this is the second card which says abundance. The card says, dear friends, prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Wow! Release any mental blocks you may have in fairyland and human land. There is enough abundance for everyone. Wonderful. Oh my God. Oh my God, dear friends. I don't know if you can see this image. I hope you can see this image. Can you see so much of gold over here? Pennies, gold, money. This is financial abundance as well, dear friends. So a lot of financial abundance is also coming to you, dear friends. Yes, you're becoming very stable. Financial abundance is coming to you in year 2021. Wonderful. This can be heredity money or a lot of earning through whatever you started doing in year 2020. You are now being able to enjoy yourself because you put a lot of hard work in 2020, and so abundance is flowing into your life. Your root chakra is healed absolutely, and you are very well being blessed by Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. Safety, security, stability, property, financial wealth, abundance and prosperity is coming in your life. Domestic harmony. Wow, dear friends, amazing. Yes. Wow. Amazing, dear friends. You have a soulmate connection with your partner as well. There is domestic harmony coming in, and with this domestic harmony, there is going to be a flow of abundance in all areas of your life. Wonderful, dear friends. Wow. A blessing to bring clarity. Yes, again, this card tells me that your third eye chakra is going to be activated. You're going to be in balance. Your mind, body, soul is going to be absolutely in balance, and there was a situation regarding which you were always confused in your life, and the year 2021 is going to bring a clarity to you regarding this situation. Something you wanted to manifest in your life, and for years you were confused whether you should make this choose option 1 or 2, and the year 2021 is going to bring you clarity on those options. Transformations. Yes, you are going to completely transform into this beautiful butterfly, In the year 2020, dear friends, you were going under the process of transformation. You were in a caterpillar stage, various stages of caterpillar, and in year 2020 you are going to manifest your desires and eventually become like this beautiful butterfly. You are going to end the process of transformation in year 2021. So there's a card over here, dear friends, which says dog far away, and the card says a distant friend is thinking of you. Yes, for many of you, your holiday can happen as an invitation from one of your friend who stays in another country or state, or it can be a celebration with one of your distant friend, where you are going to meet this friend and celebrate something with them. So there is a fond relationship, there is a good community that you are going to have celebrations with. This community can be at distance with you. It is possible your soulmate stays in another country or state. So a connection with people from far off land is also going to be very blissful for you. Oh my god. Wealth. Wow. Amazing, dear friends. Abundance, prosperity, abundance, and now we get wealth, and this is gold coins. This is absolute blissful abundance coming to you. Wealth, financially blissful, jewelry, gold, property, money, investments, finances, abundance in the solid form, in the material form, is going to manifest for you in year 2021. Your greatest blessings, with which I feel is coming as your Christmas blessings, is one, financial abundance. Your root chakra is completely healed, so safety, security, abundance, soulmate, fated connections, and community. These are your areas of, what to say, so much of prosperity in year 2021. Blissful year for you, dear friends. Plenty of material things. Oh my god. And over here we see a bowl with fruits. I am hoping that my friends are being able to see the cards. Plenty of material things. Yes, dear friends. You know, this bowl is so beautiful. These fruits look so nourishing. So I feel that you are going to enjoy an abundant life in year 2021, a luxurious abundant life, wherein you have absolutely beautified your home. There is abundance of food, good healthy food that you are enjoying. You are having leisure time, you are enjoying, you are having holidays, you are eating good food, you are gardening, you are growing things in your garden, fruits, vegetables, flowers, absolute abundance in a blissful way, and you're thoroughly enjoying everything that you have. You are so contented, you are so grateful and happy and satisfied in wherever you are, that you're thoroughly enjoying the abundance of the nature, the universe, the blessings that have come to you, that have manifested in your life in year 2021. You are just relishing this life. Wonderful. Career, dear friends. Yes, for many of my friends, this abundance is coming through their career, because in 2021 they started something of their own, or maybe 2019, 18, 17, something they started of their own, which is now blossoming for them. So some of my friends who started online businesses, etc., during the COVID time, are now going to see financial abundance flowing towards them in year 2021. Wonderful. News of a birth or a new business opportunity. Wonderful. Wow. Anything else we could have asked for? So, dear friends, yes, domestic harmony card along with the news of a birth. So, a childbirth, if you ever wanted, because your lower chakras are now uh, blessed, therefore birth of a child, a good news can come into your family, as well a new business opportunity. Yes, a new business opportunity which is bringing you a lot of financial abundance. It is possible for some of you that you start some kind of a business which is manifesting great abundance for you in your 2021. So my pile number 3 is beautiful reading for you, and you're going to thoroughly enjoy your year 2021. Take it from me. So, dear friends, I wish you Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year 2021. And I wish my pile number 3 people come back to me in year 2021, when this abundance starts to flow in their life, when they go for holiday season, when they are enjoying this leisure time, when the unlimited ideas are coming towards them, when they have this fated meeting with their soulmates, when they have domestic harmony, finally there is birth in a family, or plenty of material things, like-minded community coming towards them, wealth manifesting in their life, and steady progress in their career. I wish that they come back to this reading and give a comment on this reading, telling us that yes, whatever you read that day in year 2020, and the blessings that came to us through Santa Clauses in year 2020 for year 2021 were all true, and yes, we happen to manifest all of them. Then it will be a bliss for us, and we will also feel so grateful to you for manifesting these wishes for yourself and coming back and giving comments for us. So I wish everyone who chose pile number 3 all the best to you. Lots of love and best wishes, and thank you, dear friends, for being here.